Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making hash brown casserole and sausage in a Ninja Speedi. Alright, I'm starting out in a large bowl. I have one small onion I diced up, and if you watched last week when I made the onion bombs, this is one of the ones that I froze. That's why it looks a little translucent. Now I'm going to start by adding in a can of cream of mushroom soup. Let me grab a spoon so I can get all that goodness out of there. We don't want any to go to waste. And I'm going to add in a can of cheddar cheese soup. And this stuff here, guys, smells like mac and cheese. This would probably make a good cheese sauce for your macaroni and cheese. Right, now I'm going to add in some of my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. This is optional. I'm going to put in about a teaspoon. Don't need a lot. And I'm going to add in about a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And I'm going to stir that together well. Alright, I have my Speedi. I had to turn it on for a few minutes to preheat it. I'm going to spray a little olive oil in the inner pot. You don't need a lot because that's super non-stick. If you don't have that, use a little cooking spray. And I have a bag of frozen hash brown potatoes. This here is 26 ounces. I'm going to get them into the Speedi. And I'm going to take that cheese mixture we mixed up a minute ago and get that down in over the potatoes. And I'm using a rubber spatula so I can get all that goodness out of the bowl. We don't want to waste any. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and mix that all in there together well. Now I have my Ninja Speedi, this switch on top on air fryer, and I have this set on the bacon roast setting at 350 degrees. I'm not going to put the camera down and show you me setting it today. I just explained to you. That's bacon roast, 350 degrees. And you just want to blend your cheese soup mixture in well with the hash brown potatoes. Alright, that's looking good. And I'm just going to even that out. Now I'm going to put my tray in that comes with the Speedi. Pull a little feed out to elevate it. And I have some sweet Italian sausage here. I'm just going to line this up on the tray or the rack. Alright, we're looking good. I'm going to close my lid down and I'm going to set my time for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll go in and I'll turn that sausage over so it browns evenly. Alright, this is done. My sausage only had to go for 15 minutes. You can see it's nice and golden brown. I didn't want to leave it in there and let it dry out. So after 15 minutes, I took the sausage out. This went for the full 20 minutes. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. I'm going to start with the sausage first. Nice snap to the casing. See the sausage is cooked through. Sausage is moist, well seasoned, nice crispy outside. Let me get some of this hash brown casserole. It's cheesy, creamy, well seasoned. Guys, that's really delicious. It was really easy. Hash brown casserole and sausage in a Ninja Speedi. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.